I started at Thermotron in 2000. I started on the floor as a fabricator, and I wanted to do better for myself, so I got my bachelor's degree. Thermotron supported me in many ways. One of the ways was flexible hours. I was able to roll my shift around depending on when school was, but they also have a really good tuition program here, and it's grade-based program, so if you do well and get good marks, your tuition is fully reimbursed. Improving myself was the main incentive. Just working for a company that wanted to see me succeed helped a lot. There's a lot of entry-level positions here, and you can advance as far as you want. If I wanted to move around to learn different aspects and move towards my goal. And throughout the whole process, Thermotron supported my goal. I was able to work in 3 different departments before I moved to engineering, and within that time they knew what my end goal was, and it would benefit everybody. There's a lot of different paths at Thermotron for advancement depending on which division you want to go into and where you want to end up. The Thermotron is a place that wants to see people succeed, and they put a lot of value in their employees. There's great entry-level jobs, and people can advance from them as far as they want to.